Alright, so here we are at the Behemoth. This was the tallest and fastest coaster in Canada until the Leviathan took it out of the box in 2012. This thing has a 230-foot drop, 77 miles per hour. In comparison, they would say it's compared to the Diamondback at Kings Island and the Intimidator at Carowinds. So this is my, I don't know, 9th time riding this thing. So get ready to check it out. Let's go.
I'm not nervous. Oh, snap. We gotta do it again. She was loose. No, that's how fast it is. Wow. That boy went back. So. Wow, so my camera fell back. So I'm gonna have to do it again. Oh, man. Ways to go. That first drop, if you come back up, then go back down. Dude, the seatbelt ain't tight enough. It's all speed at that point.